We're at the farm.
You know, you could have cleaned all this up before we came.
You want another one?
Shovel and a rake at home?
Landon, here. Here's a carrot.
Be careful around these things. Are we serious right now?
I know, we're just walking on someone's property.
Don't run up to them, just walk up to them. This is crazy.
This one's pregnant.
Look, let me show you. Give me your hand.
This guy's just chilling.
You have a tiny
They're
hand.
really
Your fingers flat.
Karina, wake up.
I swear.
She's gonna have a nightmare if she wakes up.
Tried.
She's gonna have a
She
nightmare.
never does that either. I don't know.
Logan, don't walk
Henry's-
behind any of them. Logan,
My favorite.
don't walk behind them.
I'm telling you guys, I bring like 2-year-olds here twice a week.
I'm telling you guys, we're scared of big animals.
Bobby almost stepped in the poop.
Well, not that, I didn't.
What a beautiful setting.
Beautiful. It's like Ireland.
I think all of the pigs are in the barn.
Oh, let's go see the pig.
I don't know if they're there.
Al, put her to walk. Let her
What
walk.
a beautiful
I don't want her
setting.
to step in.
The whole road coming in is beautiful, isn't it, Cove? We almost bought a house on this road. Really? About the 5th to 6th house, maybe the 10th.
I bought them at the farmer's market. They're expensive, but you know what? Would I rather give it to a farmer or to a big box store? What we got? You got pigs?
I thought there were pigs in there. They're not. They're up. They're all the way up in the field. They're far up.
Guys, you want to go feed the donkey again?
No. Henry the donkey.
Oh, chickens, they're next to her neighbor have a lot of chickens. So that's no big deal for them.
Let's go see the chickens.
Did you see the pig?
The pigs are all the way up in the field. All the way up.
Holy cow!
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Lots of chickens.
You can't feed carrots to chickens
Why?
because they don't eat them.
They
Guys,
don't
what are
have-
they saying?
They don't have teeth.
Who can find the white chicken?
I find it.
Where's the white one, guys?
Landon, you're stepping in poop. Watch out.
Oh, they're talking.
There's a whole bunch.
Oh, how many is there? Hundreds?
Yeah. It's 100.
It's a guy.
They can bite you too also. Chickens can bite you.
Lamb, where you going? We got her up. Nice. How nice is this, Dad, with the water in the background over there?
Beautiful. Beautiful rock formations in here.
Yeah.
That's a little bit Purdue-ish of a scene right there.
And it's typical Stonington because everybody's got a boat
Chickens, one
behind their barn.
location,
That's
Chaz.
serious. Purdue.
Karina, say hi.
Say hi to Uncle Robbie. Say hi, Uncle Robbie. Chickens.
Wow, chicken right there.
I see soup.
I see soup.
Wings.
Should we walk up to where the pigs are?
Chicken wire.
Oh my gosh, she loves
Look at them
it.
filing out. Look at them all coming out to see what's going on.
Holy, there's even more in there?
You see that line coming out,
Let's
Jess?
smile.
Yes, look at the line.
You know what? Why you would ever go to a grocery store to buy eggs when you could just come here and get fresh ones is crazy.
You'll pay 10 times as much. Some people are cheap.
No, you get two cartons for $7.
That's really good. I mean, I agree, but
I
I
think
mean, you
that's
can buy
really
it for 99 cents. in the cheap store.
Yeah, a piece of shit that's gonna kill you.
I know. Let's go pigs. You can at least attempt.
Lila, what do you say, babe?
Wait, Karen, if we go, we can't go that way. We have to go up this way. That's an electric fence. I've gotten zapped on it like 4 times.
Send the kids over there.
Well, I know. Actually, I want Mom to go over there and get zapped. Let's go talk to this guy over here.
What's in there?
They say moo.
Do you want to go feed the donkey?
Yeah. Can you go?
Yeah, I can come with you. Whoa! What did that say?
Moo.
What did it say? Say it again.
There. It's a cat. Like a crow. Like I show Karen.
Whoa!
Wow. What do you say?
What's the cat? What's it saying?
They say boo.
It's a real farm, huh?
I'm gonna throw it.
You want to take a walk up and see if we can find
Yeah.
the pigs?
There's a big right here.
Where?
Right here.
No, pigs.
Where are they?
Those are cows and that's a donkey. They don't say oink
Hear
oink.
that, guys?
Oh my God!
Hey, it's walking around.
Don't walk behind it. You wanna go pet this one?
And he's moving.
Here, give him a carrot. Give him a carrot.
Can you give me a carrot? Give me a
I don't think he'll take that out of your hand, but the donkey will.
People stop going to breakfast places.
Hey, just try.
It's so loud.
Robbie, I want to take a picture.
Yeah, he took it. He was taking it.
Lan,
keep
you
your
gotta
hand
hold
flat
it, Lan.
Like this. So keep your hand flat. And then he's gonna push against
You gotta hold it flat like
Did you
this.
hear the cow saying moo? Henry is the best of all the animals.
that guy.
Henry is the best.
Fuck, Melissa. You serious? Jesus. Let me see her.